Hey guys, Manny Vaya here from 2000books.com, and in this video we're going to talk about the idea of why responsibility is even more powerful than desire when it comes to a motivational force, when it comes to it being a motivational force. And this idea comes from the book The Undefeated Mind by Dr. Alex Lickerman. Here's the key. Responsibility as a driving force in our life can be much more potent than desire, because responsibility compels us to act. Even when we don't feel like doing something, responsibility forces us to take that action. It forces us to create momentum. It forces us to move forward no matter what. While desire can sometimes be instrumental in getting us to move forward, responsibility is actually much more powerful, much more potent. And in some ways, it ties to the idea from the book The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. He always preaches the idea that in order to succeed big, you have to make success your responsibility. You have to treat you have to think of your success as your duty, your moral obligation, your responsibility, because actually that's very true. When we feel responsible for something, we're much more likely to follow through. We're much more likely to get it done no matter what the obstacles are in our way. Sometimes we think of responsibilities as burden. We think of a responsibility as a burden, but instead it's actually an opportunity. It's an opportunity for us to get better, an opportunity for us to grow, and an opportunity for us to take action. So realize that there are times when you may not want to do some things. There are times when you may not feel like taking action. But if you feel that you have a responsibility towards the outcome, you will find a way to move forward. You'll find a way to take action. It ties into the idea of having a big enough why, a massive why. A desire may not be a strong enough why compared to a responsibility, because a responsibility constrains you in some ways and creates that strong sense of why, that strong sense of purpose that a desire may not have. So hope you enjoyed this idea. More coming soon.